Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and find the contact which you'd like to block, and then tap on it. I'll pick this one. Then let's scroll down and find the option block numbers. Tap on it. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that we just successfully blocked the number. We can unblock it the same way, of course, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist, we have to come back to our contact list, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, so let's simply tap, and this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. Here we can also tap on add a number and enter the number manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. If you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.